Here's another unboxing. This isn't the MLC650. That won't arrive for another week probably. But this is another Manitowoc product. I ordered this Saturday the 11th, and today's Wednesday the 16th. So it shipped really fast. Not many dealers have this model right now, but the only place that I found it was Towsley's or Manitowoc store. They seem to have, I think they have 300 of them in stock right now. But this isn't a TWH or Towsley's product, it's Conrad. But it's the Grove GMK6300L. It's a fairly new model. Not very many people have one. I think everybody's waiting for a company colored one. But the instruction sheet. Pretty basic. Kind of wish Towsley's would have made it, or Weiss Brothers, but Conrad is okay. This is a lot bigger than I thought it would be. It looks really good. The kidney weights. One thing that I'm kind of disappointed about is you can't lift these by the lifting eyes. Camera focus. Right there, they're not completely cut out to put lifting straps in. But here's the other counterweights. They are individual. The top plate snaps in. Well, you won't have to worry about these falling. Oh man, it's really in there. But they are individual and very heavy. Here's your outrigger pads, your mirrors, your hook block, some pins. And another thing that I'm not really pleased with is the hook doesn't swivel. Here's your tool to tighten up the main cylinder. Your fly jib folds out and is adjustable. Can't split this apart because it's riveted, but pretty nice. Now for the main part. Very heavy. I really like the look of these new Groves. Hopefully we see a 6400 with a luffer, because it's a nice crane. Hydraulic hose spool. That's the other side. Like I said, very heavy model. Looks really good. But like I said, I do have a couple things that I'm not very satisfied with. But that, going from N's review on cranes, etc., like the hook block and the counterweights, and that. I don't like the end tip sections being so skinny. Hopefully in the near future they all adapt to the aluminum style boom. Because you see how wide that one is, the first section, and then by the time you get to the last one it's real thin. And it doesn't look realistic. And another thing that I'm not really happy about are how tiny these outriggers are. My camera will ever focus. But there's the GMK6300. Looks pretty good. Like I said, I got it from Towsley's or the Manitowoc store. They're like $385, which is pretty cheap considering it being a Conrad model. I haven't seen these anywhere else in the US for sale. So if you want one, that would be the place to go get it. And I'll get a review of this up here soon. Thanks for watching.